A lot of people ask, how do I have better bone health, especially if I have a family history of osteoporosis or osteopenia? Well, one thing we look at is optimizing hormones, specifically estradiol. As we get older, we lose the production of estrogen in our bodies, and estradiol is something that we can use in a patch or a topical cream to increase that. Sometimes if we need progesterone with it, we do that. If you have a uterus, you're always having progesterone to protect that lining. But when we're talking about bone health, we want to increase estradiol. And what we found is that that wonderful spot of serum estradiol is around 60 to 70. The studies are still out. We're still looking at what is really preferable when we're looking at optimal bone health, what that would look like. But making sure that you're not at 20 or 30 is a good place to start. So make sure you look at your labs, especially if you have family history of osteoporosis or osteopenia, or you have it yourself.